In this video, we want to focus on how to use Excel functions to sort data and run a descriptive analysis. This data is currently sorted based on the brand of the cars in reverse alphabetical order. In order to sort some information, the first thing you want to do is make the data into a table. This is already in a table form, so is this data, but we need to change this into a table. First thing we're going to do is highlight the data that we want to change to a table, go to Insert, and then Table. We have already highlighted the data that we wanted to use, so we are then going to click OK. Notice how then it has it to where we can sort our data. We can sort it with alphabetical order going from A to Z, or we can sort it based on the defects, maybe from smallest to largest, or largest to smallest. Next thing we're going to look at is on the Other tab. Down here at the bottom, we can change workbooks. Let's now look at 4.2 and 4.3, where we are going to run a simple descriptive analysis. Here we have the scores of a civil service exam of 24 applicants. We want to run a simple descriptive analysis. I recommend you make the data into a table. Highlight the data, select Insert, and then click on Table. We have already highlighted the data we wanted to use, so click OK. This feature keeps the data structured and gives you more flexibility. In order to run a descriptive analysis, you're going to go to Data, and then Data Analysis. If you do not see Data Analysis, you will need to go to File, Options, go to Add-ins, where it says Manage Excel Add-ins, we're going to go to Go. Make sure both of the analysis toolpacks are checked. Once you check them, then click OK. At that point, when you go to Data, you should then see Data Analysis. If you are using a different update of Excel and you cannot get the data analysis there, you can still get some descriptive analysis. It will just take a lot more work, a lot more buttons to push. This is what is recommended. We want to run a data analysis on descriptive statistics, so make sure we click that and then click OK. We need to highlight the data for our input range. We did have our label in the first row, so we want to make sure we let Excel know that we do have that there. Our output range is where we want our data to be displayed. Click on a cell where you want your data to be displayed, and make sure you check on Summary Statistics. Then click OK. Here we can see that we have a mean of 75.5. The mean is just the average of all the scores. We can also see that the median is 80.5 and the mode is 93. If the mean, median, and mode are equal, then the data set is symmetrical. Our sample is not symmetrical and might be skewed. We can see that the standard deviation is 19.99. We can also see that the range is 81. We can find the range by taking your maximum amount and subtracting it from your minimum amount. We can also see that there are 24 items in this sample. This gives us a way to look at our data.